Alright, so as we've gathered from the video produced earlier this week, I
don't give a fuck.
Firstly, before we get into anything, you know, what do we think of my new haircut? I mean, fuck. It's good, right? Maybe lock up your daughters. Or your mum. So, if you haven't gathered, my name's Charles and I run Vezora Marketing. And in today's video, we're going to look at starting a YouTube channel in 2019. But first, let's roll the intro. Alright, so today's video's got 4 parts to it, and you'll be pleased to know got a better pen today, as you can already see. It's working well, and the first part we're going to start off with is Fiverr, and what we're going to do is we're going to jump into the computer each time for a quick 30 seconds explaining everything. Alright, so here we are on Fiverr.com. It's very self-explanatory. The site's Fiverr.com and it costs you £5 to get things done. Right, let's get straight into it. So, I started out my YouTube channel and I got a logo created for me by this guy, Pie Brands. Very easy to use, and you simply just go down here and choose the basic package, and he created me a logo for £5. Very simple. I then decided I needed an intro and I used this guy here. Again, all these links will be put in the description. He created my video. I messaged him first and it came out about £18. 18 to £20. So again, very easy to do. These people do stuff for you. If you're lazy like I am, why not pay someone to do it for you? You're going to end up with the same result, if not better. And the final thing I did was I used this guy here and he created my banner. And again, I'll put his link in the description. You know, it's just a simple £4 or £5 thing. He got it up and running inside a day. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to give a free giveaway for anyone that writes in the comment below, shout out in caps, and is subscribed to my channel. I'm going to give them, what should I do? I'll give you a free logo, and I will give you a free banner for you starting up your YouTube channel. So all you need to do is just comment below, shout out, and I will get this sorted for you. Okay, so tip number 2 is social media. Alright, so tip number 2 is using your Facebook to set up a Facebook page, a bit like what I've done here. You know, I've got my logo, which I got from Fiverr. I've got my banner here. I probably need to get another banner just for Facebook, but heck, it still works, doesn't it? The next thing you're going to do, so you've set up your Facebook page, etc. Next thing you do is invite your friends. Don't be afraid of doing this. At the end of the day, no one gives a fuck. Okay, you just do it. Something along the lines of, so I've got my not invited people. See, I've already invited that many people. Select all. Hey guys, be great if you could help support my Facebook page. A lot of it is to do with internet marketing. Could even save / make you some money. Get on it. Okay, so something appealing like that is gonna get you some likes. So we're gonna come on why. So you send out your invites, just like that. It's been sent out. Now, what I've been doing is every single time I do a video, I just bang it on here. Because again, YouTube is like a circle of kind of engagement. So my videos here, I think this video here has already got like 120 views, which is great. Now, a lot of these views came from Facebook. I know that for a fact. So the idea is that the more people that you have on your fans as such, or however you like to call it, people that follow your page, they're going to see the video, which is going to boost up your your link, your YouTube video, give you more views, which is then going to give you more subscribers, which then helps your next set of videos to get more views, which gives you more subscribers, which is exactly what you're wanting to do. So this is tip number 2. Tip number 3 is keyword research. Moving on to tip number 3, which is keyword research. You're going to need to learn how to find topics to talk about. And the easiest thing to do is to use the YouTube search bar. I mean, say it's like how to sleep fast, okay, in 2 minutes 40, in 40 seconds, with curly hair, better, with box braids, faster in 40. All these are ideas on videos that you can make, or how to draw a rose, a unicorn, a girl, a dog, a person. If you've got these skills, why not showcase them to everyone? Another website that you can use is Answer the Publics for ideas. So how to make money online. Okay, so it's just loading. As we can see, our questions. Let's just wait for it to load up. Okay, so all of these are questions here. How to make money online in South Africa for free. How to make money online in Ghana. How to make money online UK. How to make money online Reddit. All these are ideas that you could go away and make videos on. How to make money online Canada. Let's find a good one. How to make money online for college students. How to make money online for real. All these are different ideas. You go down the bottom here, and again you can see them listed A to Z. So these are some ideas. Remember, you go onto your YouTube and you just search how to make money free on all of these selections, or how to make money online as a teenager, 2019, for free as a kid, with no money as a teen. All these ideas are very easy ways to come up with content, how to do whatever you want to do, basically. Lastly, tip number 4, video editing. Alright, so step 4 is learning to video edit. Now, this is just going to be a very brief overview. The software that I'm in now is called DaVinci Resolve. All you do is simply file, import media. Yeah, this is just me here. Let's just put this in here. Change, just for example, drag it down into here. We can see that it's a really long video. You can quite easily skip forward wherever. Say I wanted to make a quick break in it. Oh shit, wrong. Say I wanted to make a quick break, etc. Come back over. You know, that's as simple as that. You can learn this. There's loads of videos on YouTube on how to use DaVinci Resolve, but I actually think it's a really easy piece of software to use to create your videos. And then, like I say, when you finish, all you do is you click deliver. You know, YouTube, you just set it up like this, bang, you've created your video. So I hope these 4 tips are very helpful, and we're going to go back to the whiteboard. Alright, so we've been through the 4 things on the computer. You've got Fiverr, social media, keyword research, video editing. Okay, these 4 things are going to help you to start out your YouTube channel. I know a few of you have messaged me saying, how can I do things, etc, etc. So here we go. This is a great way to start on YouTube. Now, as always, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you're notified of more great videos when I release them. I'll see you soon.